How to fix Instagram swipe reply option. Hello guys, in this new tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix this problem easily and fast. So all what you want to do is very simple. Open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. Now go to the apps right here, open the Instagram app settings. Now here this is the app information page. All what you want to do on this page is click on the force stop and then go to the notifications management. And now you have to disable the notifications, yes, and enable them again like this. Now go down to the open by default option, go to the open supported links in this app and choose ask every time. Go back, open the Play Store or the App Store if you have iOS, and then search for Instagram and update it from here. As you can see, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.